Okay, so today we're going to continue working on our articles for our class newspaper that we'll publish at the end of our journalistic unit. And today we're going to work on editing the capitals and punctuation in our current article. So remember, it's important that if we lack punctuation or capitals or proper grammar in an article, sometimes that makes it difficult for the reader to understand what we're writing about and even enjoy the article that we've written. And ultimately, that's our hope, is that a reader will understand what we're talking about, come away with some information they previously did not have, and also enjoy reading that article. So I want today for you to work with a partner, and we're going to look at two different articles, both the same, but with some changes between them. And we're going to decide together which one is difficult to understand, which one might be easier for a reader to understand, and why. So turn to a table partner, and when you pause the video, I want the first partner to read the story on the left, and then you can discuss how you think that was for a reader. Do you think it's easy to understand, difficult, why it may be that way? And then after you've done that and discussed it, I want you to then have the other partner read this story on the right, and you can discuss which one of those articles you felt was easiest to understand, why you think that's the case, and if there's any other changes you would have made that the editor did not. So go ahead and pause the video, and you can start with that with your partner. Okay, so I hope everybody's back and discuss the different changes that the editor had made. So today you're going to be editing your own articles for punctuation and grammar. So I want you to get those pens that are a different color out so you can see where you're making your changes. And when I ask you to, you're going to pause the video and you're going to edit your own articles. When you're finished, I would like you to turn back to that partner that you worked with and perhaps discuss the changes you've made and see if there's any suggestions they have for you to change anything else in your article. So go ahead and pause the video and you can get started on that. So as we talked about at the beginning of class today, it's a lot easier to understand our articles and other people's writing when they use that proper punctuation and grammar. So I hope that you enjoyed reading each other's articles and working on your own, and we will continue to edit as we work towards publishing our class newspaper.